Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to customize your Android home screen aesthetic, there are a few different elements you can tweak to make it look exactly how you want. Let's go over the best ways to personalize your home screen. Start by long pressing on your home screen. This will bring up customization options, including wallpapers and style. From here, you can select a custom background, either from the built-in wallpapers or by downloading your own aesthetic images. If you want to keep a consistent theme, check out the color palette options. This adjusts system colors to match your wallpaper, making everything feel more cohesive. If you're using a Samsung device, you can also explore Galaxy themes, which allow for even more visual customization, including icon packs and system-wide themes. Other Android brands may have their own built-in theme settings as well, so check your device's customization options for more choices. And if you want to completely change the look and feel of your home screen, consider installing a custom launcher from the Google Play Store. A launcher replaces the default home screen layout, giving you more control over icons, animations, and organization. One of the most popular choices is Nova Launcher, but there are plenty of other options depending on your style and preferences. To make your home screen both functional and aesthetic, add widgets for things like clocks, calendars, and weather updates. You can also resize widgets to fit your layout perfectly. If you like a minimalist look, organize your apps into folders or use a hidden apps feature to keep everything clean and distraction-free. That's it. Now you know how to customize your Android home screen aesthetic to match your style. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.